Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the essentials. Pick one focused niche and define 3 content pillars so you never chase every trend. Once done, register a short domain, set reliable hosting, and install a CMS like WordPress or Ghost. This is your production environment. Make sure to create a simple navigation map and draft 3 cornerstone posts to populate the site. These early posts prove concept, teach structure, and let you iterate quickly while gathering initial feedback. Now focus on execution. Build a 90-day content calendar with topics, publishing dates, and promotion steps so you maintain momentum. While writing, optimize every article for a primary keyword. Craft a compelling title, meta description, clear headings, and descriptive image alt text to boost discoverability. Once done, add internal links and strong CTAs to guide readers, and include one lead magnet to capture emails. Make sure to measure engagement with analytics so you can refine You're at launch. Promote each post on 3 chosen channels: social, your email list, and niche communities to drive initial traffic. Once traction appears, pick one primary monetization path like affiliate links, a digital product, or consulting and lean into it. Iterate weekly by auditing traffic, engagement, and revenue, update underperforming posts, and repurpose high performers. If growth stalls, troubleshoot. Check analytics for traffic drops, test headlines, ensure pages load fast, and verify redirects. Fixing tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.